Continue with next one, society's interest versus self-interest. Okay, so every individual have two type of interest. One is do something for self, or only think about the self only, that is self-interest. Next one, do something for society, like do something for the people, that is society's interest. Like this we have the two type of interest. Everybody have this two type of interest, but which interest we give more importance, that is the issue in our society. Okay, we'll start now. Self-interest. So self-interest, as I told you, so we like focused on yourself, or thinking about yourself and putting yourself as an advantage. Always you think about how I can go, how what is the advantage I'm going to get, how I can improve, what I'm going to get from this. Like this, always think about some advantage to develop yourself, or to get something for you. Like this mindset is there, that is self-interest. Every individual have the self-interest. Okay, without self-interest we cannot find anybody. That is a default one. Every individual of society, they have the self-interest. Like only the uh, like sannyasi or some moksha or priest, those who left everything and they go for a next level, that people only have that level, that people only doesn't have any self-interest. Other than that, everybody have self-interest. Okay, so somewhere in our mind we have the self-interest. Okay, something to do, we think about our own advantage, our own benefit from this. So that is default one. Everybody have the self-interest. According to the Chanakya, so there is some self-interest behind every friendship. Okay, so according to Chanakya, even in friendship also there is some level of self-interest that people are not doing, like real a true friendship. There is no friendship without self-interest. So from this understand, self-interest is the common, it's a default. Everybody have the self-interest. Okay, example, like thinking about your needs and thinking about only your things, you not think about others around you. Like if you go to the class, you not think about others, only you want to get the notes, only you want to listen the class, or you want to like when you go somewhere, you think about only you, not think about others around you. Those who are around you, you not think about them, you not care about them. If you do something only for yourself, only for your own benefit, that is self-interest. And when the individuals make decision that are in their own benefit or own best interest, especially without any regards for others. So they not give, they not wish, and they not take care, they not care about others, and without concern of others also. Okay, so mostly like egoistic, like a selfish way of activity we consider as self-interest. For example, rash driving or drunken driving also example of self-interest. Okay, so they want to go on time, they want to reach the place before 5 minutes, or they may late, so they drive very fast, they drive very rash in the public road. So it get fear for others. Maybe the rash, because of rash driving, the person made some accident also. So the normal drivers also face issue because of rash driving. So that is the rash driving or drunken driving also. He want to enjoy, so after drink also he may drive the vehicle. So that is the example of self-interest. And parking the vehicle in no parking area, like because of he want to go to the shop, he doesn't want to go far away for park the vehicle. He just park in front of the shop and he go to the shopping. So it may disturb others and it may create some traffic issue also. Others not able to get enough space to go to reach the other side. So if you park vehicle in not no parking area, or parking, some people not park the vehicle properly, so they will differently park the vehicle other than the particular direction. That will come under the self-interest. Okay, example of self-interest. Okay, like a one-way driving also. So they want to reach the place easily without any waste the petrol, without waste the energy. They want to reach. They want to reach the place immediately. So they may go in one way also. So because of one-way driving, some accidents also happen. Some people may not notice. Some people may face some issue because of one-way driving. So one-way driving also type of the self-interest. And playing the loud music in the public place, like sometimes we also play the loud musics It may disturb your neighbor. It may disturb others also. Your hostel. It may disturb next roommate also. But the student, the person not worry or they not think about others. Only he want to enjoy. He want to enjoy the movement. So he celebrate with the loud music. That time it may disturb the elderly people. It may disturb some students, those who prepare for exam. Like this, the problem will come, but the individual not care about others. Only he want to enjoy his life. So he played very loud music. Even some people put the headphone also with the heavy loud music. Even the if you travel with the person in the lift, we can able to listen the sound. That much heavy music you listen. Okay, so like this, when you play very loud music, when because of your loud music, the others get disturbed. That also type of the self-interest. Next example is doing some prank show. Like you know very well nowadays, number of YouTubers are doing the prank show. Number of YouTube channels, number of prank shows there. So the YouTubers are doing prank show because of their viewers. Okay, they want to get profit. They want to get number of views. So prank show, but the YouTubers are those who doing the prank. They not think about the others. So because it may hurt others, because others may get some different. They're not able to get the situation very easily. But the prank show people are doing, they get some problem. They do something because of their self-interest. So doing prank show, doing the eve teasing, ragging, it all come under the self-interest, because your own enjoyment you disturb the other individual. So that is example of self-interest. And standing in the footpath area and disturb the pedestrians, like the place for walking only, but people are simply standing, group of people standing and speaking, it disturb others also. And sometimes the platform only for the walking purpose, sometimes some people may occupy the platform and they will do they extend the shops, they extend some other board, something they will keep on the platform. Like this, when you do something, it disturb others and you not think about others, only your own benefit, you do something, that is the example of self-interest. So now from this you understand what is called self-interest. Like when you do something for yourself, you not care about others, you not think about others, you not concerned about others. That way you are focused about only yourself, only your own benefit you are focusing on doing something, that is self-interest. So why the people are doing self-interest? The causes of self-interest is, first one, place of the individual in the society or in the family. Okay, so because of the individual, the person placement, he may do some type of only self-interest. Okay, for example, in the family, he is the breadwinner of the family, head of the family, means he have to do everything on the particular time or the particular way. So that time he not think about others, he not think about the neighbors, he not think about the unknown people. You think about only my family, my people. Like this mindset only the individual have. So he may do such a way. Sometimes the society also, the individual have some position, individual have some important place. So because of maintain the status, maintain the position, he not focus about others, he not do anything for others, he develop only for himself only. To maintain the status, to achieve the level, to go for next level, he may do only the self-interest. So place of the individual also reason for the self-interest. And professional, what type of professional the person is doing, it also reason for self-interest. If the people are doing some type of professional, like the advocate, doctor, teacher, marketing person, or some other business people, means because of the profession, the people may do some type of self-interest, only think about himself. Okay, I want to get next level, I want to go next level, I want to get more profit, I want to earn so much. So the people are do some type of number of self-interest activities. They not think about others, like unwanted operations or a false witness produced in the court, or some of the unfair trade practices they will do because of to develop the profession, to improve the status. The people may do number of self-interest. So profession also reason the people may do the self-interest. And in next one, intellectual property. To save the intellectual property also, people are becoming more self-interest. Okay, they don't want to share with others. For example, some family have some type of intellectual knowledge. Okay, so some family members know about something, they are very good in so and so activity also. the family members not ready to share with others. They not share, they not communicate to others. They only hide within the family, and they will teach only to the family members only. So because that is their intellectual activity, that is their intellectual property, they don't want to share. They don't want to spread to others. So that also come under the self-interest. To maintain the family, to maintain the family status, to maintain the intellectual things of the family, so they will keep, they not share with others. So that also reason of self-interest. And seeking wealth, so the person has the aim, okay, I want to go so and so, I want to reach the level so and so, like this means because of the wealth reason, he became more selfish, he became more self-interest. Okay, I want to go that level, so till that time I not care about anybody, I not care about anything, like this mindset, he focus only the wealth only. So that also a reason why people are more self-interest. Next one, ambitions, like fix some ambitions, you focus only your ambitions only. Because of your ambitions, you not care about others, you not think about others, you focus only that, and you do number of things only to reach the ambitions. So the individual became more selfish. Not only that much, we have number of, not only this much, we have number of reasons, causes why the individual is to be a self-interest. Okay, this is the concept of self-interest. Next one, society's interest. Society's interest means like when the individual aware about the belonging of the community. Okay, so when you aware about the community, like when you do something for community, when you want to know something about community, or when you sense of being of fellow human being. Okay, so I have my neighbors, I have my cousins, I have my colleague, I have my class friends, I have my other friends. Like this, when you think about others, it also one of the society interest. Or when you awareness about the human community, so what is going in that, what is the recent social issue, how many people are facing issue because of so and so, what is the sexual harassment, how the violence is happening, like this. When you get some knowledge about society or community, it also type of the society's interest, because you care about society, you want to know something about society. Like this mindset, if you have, this is the one of the society's interest. As the other theory also mentioned that social interest means a feeling of community. Like I told you, when you feel about your community, when you worry about, care about your community. Okay, so my nation is not that much, my nation is not developed. In my nation there is poverty. In my nation, in my community there is some kind of violence. In my community, in my area there is a pollution. In my community there is no proper road facility. Like this, when you feel about your community, and when you like an orientation to live cooperatively with others without any violence, without any kind of conflict, when you cooperatively doing with others, that also type of the self-interest, sorry, society's interest. For example, without any violence, or in doing any, not doing any kind of partiality, favorism, all are equal. Like this way, if you treat and you cooperate with all, that also a type of society's interest. As well as lifestyle that value the common good. Okay, always you give more importance for the common good. Everybody going to get good things. Like these attitudes, if you have, it's also one of the society's interest. As well as individual participate to bring them together with others towards the common goal. Like always think about the some common goal. So like society going to get the advantage, the people going to get advantage. Like this, if you have the work, if you are have some interest, that type of interest is society's interest. Okay, like sometimes you think about others, right? When some people need some help, you may donate something. When there is some pollution, there is some the way is not clear, you can help the people, you can organize the people to get something, or you can go with some people to meet some MLA, meet some government officers for your local problem. Like this, if you do something with the people, or yourself you do something for your own community, that type of activity we can consider as the society's interest. Okay, some example of society interest is like voluntarily participating without any recognition, without expect any compensation, doing some voluntary work. Like past leaders, all are example of society's interest. They not care about the family, they not care about their future. They voluntarily supported for the independence. Okay, so without any recognition, without any compensation, when you wantonly do something for others, that is the example of society interest. And teaching, sharing something to your friends. When in your class also, sometimes some students may not understand some maths or some science formula. That time you can, if you are aware, you can teach them. You can explain the idea easily to your friends. So that also, without any expectations, you can teach, you can share ideas to others, even with your colleague also. After get the office, when you join in the office, some staff may not understand the concept, some staff may not do that much proper work. You can encourage them, or you can teach them about the easy way to do the job. That also example of society's interest. And equality, like treat all human are equal. Like this way, when you treat without any social stratification, without any discrimination, without any race, gender, caste, class, or religion based discrimination, if you treat all people are equal, it also like an activity of society's interest. And do some activity like participate in the NGO, or participate in NCC, NSS, Scout, or take the leadership. This kind of activities also come under the society's interest. Okay, if you participate in NGO, through NGO you can do some help, you can do some type of activity. So because the NGO, non-government organizations, may conduct some awareness programs, may conduct some camps. So you can go with the people, you can be with the NGO people. With that, you can aware about the social issues, how much the people are in need some help. The type of idea you can get. Like NSS also, they can do some kind of social work. They will go some cleaning some area. They can do some kind of voluntary services that you can participate. Like NCC Scout also, some like national feelings, social feelings you can get through NCC and the Scout. And leadership also, you can take leadership, or you can start some leadership things also. You can start some NGO. Like this, number of examples are there. To develop your society's interest. This is an example of society's interest. So recently in Bangalore, this news also, I think most of you are aware that during train in Bangalore highway there is heavy water. So even there is one the kind of things also open. So canal also open, so that people are not aware about the place. So the lady organized the traffic, and she helped for the drivers. With like these are the things happen, right? Recently you also know about this. So this type of activities, when you do without any expectations, when you help others, when you do something for society, that type of activity we can call as society's interest. Okay. So the difference is self-interest. You are aware about when you do something for yourself. When you think about only yourself, I want to get degree, I want to get the job, I want to earn, I want to settle, I want to get the post, I want to go so and so, I want to select in so and so offer. Like this, when you always think about I, me, my, like this, only yourself, you think, you do something, that is self-interest. Society interest means when you do something for society, when you do something for people, like number of people are benefit for the society as a whole at large, that activity we consider as society's interest. For example, the society interest example, when you travel in by bike or by car, if you see some accidents, you immediately stop your vehicle and help the accident victims. You help the people and arrange the ambulance or arrange some things to admit in the hospital. Like this, if you do, that is society interest. Just to look the accident, just you are going your way and you not help anybody, anything to anybody, means you just look the people and going your office, that is self-interest. Okay, so from this understand what you mean by self-interest and society's interest. Also other example, like when you see some tabs are leaking, okay, that time you can close the tab properly, that is society interest. Just to look the tab and going, that is self-interest. And sometimes the light also on, if you off the light switch and fan switch unnecessarily, means if you off the light switch and fan switch, that is society interest. But just looking and going, that is the self-interest. Like this, we can differentiate number of things about self-interest and society's interest. Okay. Next one, clash of interest. Clash of interest means between these two interests, we may get some type of clash, we may get the type of like a conflict of interest. Okay, so conflict of interest occurs when the individual became dilemma. Okay, like confusion stage to select which one, like self-interest or society interest. Like this, we may get sometimes we may get the clash, sometimes we get the dilemma. Okay, for example, if the people are doing like same example, if you do the people are going and if you see the accident, some people ready to help, some people not ready to help because of the busy schedule. Like he want to go to the office on time, he want to attend the class on time, otherwise one day salary can may get cut and not able to get attendance. So because of the timing, because of the busy schedule, the people not able to help, he want to go to the office or school or class on time. So that is the dilemma. So when you see some people, when you see some issue, that time dilemma will come. Okay, whether I have to go office, I have to help for this type of people. Like this dilemma, that type of confuse will come, clash will come. That is conflict of interest. Which one we have to give more importance? Whether I have to go, I have to do myself, I have to do my society. Like this dilemma always arise, right? You cannot give always the society interest. At the same time, you cannot give always to the self-interest. So depend upon your timing, depend upon your position, depend upon your schedule, we select from these any one. Okay, whether you have to do self, whether you have to do the society. Like these things will arise. Okay, so every person or every organization involved multiple interests. Everybody have the clash. Everybody can get the kind of conflict of interest. Okay, for example, a person is a loyalty to the employer. At the same time, he have to loyal to the family business also. So he may learn something to the employer and he may use something in his family business. Such a way he may do the two different things properly. You have to loyal for the family, you have to loyal for the employer also. So the conflict of interest may arise. Some politicians also, after get the post like MLA, MP, minister, after get the position also, the clash will arise. Whether I have to do the social activities, I have to do only for my family. Like this, even they have to do some type of favorism, support, or partiality. That type of activities the politicians may do after get the powerful, after get the power. Okay, so that is the clash of interest. So which one he going to give more importance, like the society or self? The clash, the conflict may arise, and even the government officers, professionals also may get the clash of interest. So whether I have to do the more professional or I have to do my more self development. Like this issue will come, and government officers also, after get the posting, after get the job, government job, some people more give importance to the self interest. Maybe they do corruption, they want to do corruption, they want to save something or settle their family. They do only less social activities, only less social responsible way they may behave. Like this, a number of example, number of people may have the conflict of interest or the clash of interest. Okay, for example, the nepotism or some other come under the self-interest with the society interest. Okay, so nepotism, when you do something for your own people, or when you take care your close friends, or when you support for your neighbors or your friends, that is nepotism. More giving more importance to the known. Okay, you not think about others. At the same time, society interest, which means you have to be the loyalty for your posting, for your position also. Like judge, if your judge receives some case, if judge come to know that there is some known people also there in the case, then judge automatically change the one case to other case. Like this, that is the loyalty. So like this, number of time the clash, the conflict of interest arise in our day-to-day life. Okay, so which interest you give more important, that is the important one. Okay, for example, because of this class, number of people give importance to the self-interest. Okay, that is true also. You also can imagine yourself, or you can think about some others also. At the time of clash, most of the people give importance to the self-interest only. Because of this self-interest only, we have number of social problems. Because of this self-interest only, we can't able to control our social issues like corruption, sexual abuse and the terrorism. Like this, we can list number of problems arise because of the self-interest. The people are giving more importance to the self-interest. When we give importance to the society, when we all are care about society, when we all are thinking about the community, then only we can able to develop our nation. For example, all developed countries, if you go there, you can see the people. Okay, so they obey the traffic properly. They not do any kind of rash driving. If they do any rash driving, automatically the traffic police or the fine penalty they have to pay. As well as they not throw any waste in the public place. Always they will keep in the dustbin only. Like this, number of way the developed country people are respect their community. They'll do number of things for the community. They take care of the community very seriously. Okay, that is the reason they are developed into the next level. But in our society, we not give more importance to the society. We give importance to the self only. So because of that reason, we are not able to develop. We are facing the problem. Till now, we are in the name of developing country only. Like for example, the election also. Whenever the elections come, people are not ready to go participate in the election. They're not ready to go voting also. They think that is a one-day holiday. They want to enjoy the holidays. They will go some park or some tourist spot. They not participate in the election. So participate in the election also kind of society interest. But if you not participate, you take the holiday and going enjoying means that is self-interest. So number of people, we have only the self-interest in our mind. So we have to reduce our self-interest. We have to think something for society also. We have to care about our community. When we care, then only the social issues can solve. Then only our society can get development. Only government is responsible. Only government has to do every activities means it's not possible. So we also have to do something for our at least our local, our street, at least our village, at least our small town area. We have to focus. Anything is not good, like a tree plantation, something, the cleaning the kind of road or some other camps we can organize. Some free coaching things we can organize. We can help something to the people. We can teach them, or we can some small activities for the people voluntarily without any expectations. We can help. When everybody do something to the society, automatically our society can develop. Society can improve to the next level. So that is the reason we have this topic in our syllabus also. Nowadays, in present generation, the society's interest getting decline. Only the past leaders have number of society's interest rather than the self-interest. But presently, our self-interest is high level. Society's interest is the in the less level only. So that things happen. So that we have to change. When we change, when we care about our society, then automatically our development, our improvement is possible. Okay. For example, if you do the self-interest, automatically sometime it contribute to the society also. At the same time, if you do the society interest also, the self also can improve. That also like a cyclical process, like vice versa, it would happen one things to other. Okay. For example, self-interest like Google, Facebook, the bank industry. These are the things started by the individual because of his self-interest. He want to identify, he want to get some job, he want to contact something, so he introduced the things. But because of the self-interest, now number of people are benefited. Number of people are getting some kind of benefit from the self-interest. So your small self-interest also, you have to think, you can relate about the society. Then only it can help for the society. Like this, if you do some social activities, again you can develop your self also. Okay, so if you do some number of social activities, you can help to the people. You can clear the traffic, or you can find some solution to control the issue. Like this, if you do something, automatically your recognition, your prize, award, like honor, that type of things you can get. Like you can get prize from your local people. The people will prize, people will respect by your voluntary service. So both things are vice versa. So but somehow you have to develop your society's interest. Okay. So from these you understand what are the things are self-interest, what are the things are society's interest. Okay, like a Tata Trust is the society's interest, but trekking, cycling is the self-interest. As well as the UNICEF, Daya is the society's interest, but the shopping and some other things is the self-interest. So like this. So when you do something for yourself, your own benefit, your own fitness, your own health reasons, you are doing something that is your self-interest. But you do something for others, you participate with others, do something for society, that is self. Okay, so we have to give more importance to the society's interest. So how to develop the society's interest? Because as I told you recently, number of people, they reduce the uh, society interest. They're more ambitions. They're more seeking wealth. They're busy schedule, so they not give time for the society. So that things we have to change. We can spend some time, at least weekly, one day for our society also. Like number of people weekly, one day, like Sunday, people get together and they will clean the pot, they clean the area, they will organize some camp, some debate show you can organize, some social issue you can speak about the new education policy or the farmers related new act also we can discuss, and about what are the recent things are happening about India and China war issue you can speak. Something you have to aware about the community, what is going around you, what is happening, why it is bad, why it is good. That knowledge we should. When you care about society, then only we all can improve, we all can help for our nation. Okay, so how to support, how to develop your society interest? By number of activities, but I'm going to mention only two only, that is social and moral ethical code and professional ethical code. Okay, first one, social and moral ethical code. So our day-to-day life, what you can follow, like respect others and respect the elder people, respect the teachers, and don't do any bad habits, self-control, and you can teach others, treat the people equally. Like this way we can do in our day-to-day life. So when you're doing the equality, respect, punctuality, loyalty, honesty, like this, when you do in your individual life with others, then automatically our society interest also may develop. Then other people also can follow from you. It helps for our development. At the same time, in professional field, when you get the job in professional field also, we can develop our society interest by honesty, like not do any type of like the misleading or kind of unfair third practices. You do the duty very honest way, and integrity, loyalty, confidentiality, objectivity, the kind of things when you do in your career. Like when you join the job, you respect your subordinate also. But because of your boss, I am so and so, so you are showing you are powerful, showing your your command, your subordinate means that time you can't able to develop our society's interest. So all are equal. You have to get the work from the person, but you should not humiliate. You should not harass or disturb the individual. Like this way we are to treat. So when we all are take some steps, when we all are change our idea about the society, we do something for the society. Always you think about society, then we can able to develop our nation. Okay, so at least from today, after the subject, think about the society or some speak about the society. What is happening? What is going? So recently in the sexual abuse things also, or violence against women, or election in Bihar, something. So when you know about something, you speak about that. You aware about that. Everybody has to aware something about the social issues. At least in a community also, in a local issue. What is your who is your MLA? Who is your minister? What minister can do? So whether you can write some letter, you can send some mail to the municipality about your local problems. That such way we have to participate. If you go, you participate yourself in this so and so activities, automatically you can get the respect. Your local people will respect you, or you can become a leader. You can develop leadership qualities. You can get some prize, honor, respect also. So practice this type of things. It really help you to become a great person in your life, and because of your service, the society also may get developed. Okay, so this is the topics. For this reason only we have in our syllabus under the being a good responsible. So this also good responsible activity to become a socially responsible, or we do number of social interest activities in our day-to-day life.